guys, we're back again today with a simple but yummy recipe. I'm also really excited because I have my hubby in the kitchen today.
Hi, always a pleasure to cook with my wife. So we always wonder what to cook up when we want to make simple yet yummy recipes that our kids love to eat. And today we're going Mexican. We're going to be making some yummy crispy taco cups. Our central ingredient is 4 tortillas. We're using flour tortillas today. And we have about a cup of grated cheese. We're using Mexican cheese, but feel free to use any other of your preference. We have about a cup of tomato salsa, half a cup of cooked corn kernels, finely grated onions. It's about a cup. We used 1 large onion for that. We have a cup of finely chopped bell peppers and mixed peppers. We actually use baby peppers for this, but feel free to use any of your choice. And a cup of black beans. At this time, we're using canned black beans, but feel free to use any beans of your choice.
So to start, we're going to be cutting the tortillas into 4 quarters.
That's 1/2.
We're just using a pizza cutter here to cut these. So as you see, we made this into quarters, and this is what we're going to be using as the taco shells. So I'm using a muffin tin today, so I'm just going to be spraying the muffin tin with Pam spray. You can also just drizzle oil and brush it to ensure that all the tins are covered with oil.
It's actually a great way to use these taco cups and put them in the muffin tray so they act as the cups and they also turn crispy, and that becomes the core of the dish.
So we're taking each quarter and just pushing it slightly into the tin.
And now we're ready to assemble the cups. Wow, this looks awesome. I think it's now ready to go into the oven.
Yeah, so we have preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to be baking it for around 10 to 15 minutes. Keep a watch on it until the cheese melts. So after 10 minutes, I just took it out of the oven, and as you can see, the cheese has melted really well, and the corners have also become slightly brown, and this is what we're looking for.
And now our crispy taco cups are ready to go. You can see how amazing they look. They hold their shape. They've got veggies in there, cheese, tacos. Oh my God, this is an amazing snack and a great meal.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy, and see you all soon.
Bye.